Hi, my name is Jason Guck, Executive Vice President and co-founder of 5links, and I want to talk to you about the importance of launching your 5links business and getting off to a quick start. We have a document in the virtual office. I want you to go to 5links.com, and I want you to pull document 707 out of your virtual office. And it talks about how 5links is easy as 1, 2, 3. There's a simple step-by-step system that you can follow in getting your 5links business launched. And I also want to talk to you about the 90-day game plan that can get your business earning over $20,000 in your first 90 days. But I also want to share with you that 5links is a results-based business. So results are going to vary based on your effort. The more effort you put in, the more rewards you're going to receive out. Put no effort in, you get no reward. It's a results-based business. And it's truly what we call win-win. And what this document will do is it'll walk you through positioning yourself for executive trainer, which is the building blocks of the 5links compensation plan. Step 1 is to get your 10 customer points right away so you're positioned for that executive trainer quick start bonus. The best way to get your points is for you to sign up on all of the 5links services that you can utilize in your home. Talk to your mom, sister, next door neighbor, the 5 people that love you, and maybe 5 people that owe you a favor, and you should get your 10 customer points out of the way relatively quickly. You really want to do this within your first 24 to 48 hours. Once you can check off your 10 customer points, you then want to schedule your grand opening, which is your private business reception, where you can invite people to the opportunity to hear about your new company. And then from that meeting, we'll start to build momentum, we'll attract new business partners, where somebody's going to actually do the presentation and do the work for you, whether it be a DVD, where you can show the information, or it's somebody actually giving the 5links presentation. Then from there, we're sorting to see who sees the opportunity and who doesn't. The ones that do, we're going to work with and teach them the same system. Step 3 is obviously committing yourself to training, because this is something brand new. And you got to learn the business. As you're building your 5links business, the more you learn, the more you're going to earn. So let's talk about this quick start and how we want to position yourself. I want to show you the potential of how you can actually earn over $20,000 in your first 90 days if you create momentum and you follow what I call baby steps to success. So the first thing I want to talk about is obviously you. So this is you. And what you want to do is get your 10 customer points, which we talked about. You then want to enroll your first 2 business partners. We call them independent marketing representatives. Those 2 business partners, when they are qualified, and to be qualified, they simply need 4 customer points, one of them being global links, so 4 points, 1 global links, which is our voice over IP, or 8 total customer points. Either one will qualify those IMRs, or those independent marketing representatives. Once they're qualified, this example will get you, or will promote you to the executive trainer position. So now you're an executive trainer, and why that's important is because that is the building block of the 5links compensation plan. We call it baby steps to success. Because what happens when you get executive trainer, 5links is going to release a $500 bonus. Actually $50 when you hit trainer, and another $450 at executive trainer, so it's a total of $500. Now you've become profitable in your new business, you have a success story to tell, but what do you think if you just went out and achieved that bonus, you hit executive trainer, what do you think your first 2 business partners would like to do? They want you to show them how to hit executive trainer, and that's where the business starts to duplicate. It's a simple system, and all we do is duplicate success. All we do in 5links is 2 things. We help people save money on services they're already paying for, and we help people make money through the 5links opportunity. So helping people save money, helping people make money. It's a very simple business, but it's all about a process. It's about a system. So the system is really creating executive trainers. Now, once you go executive trainer and you help these individuals do the same thing you did, now when they go executive trainer, they'll naturally earn the $500 bonus, and you sponsor an additional representative over here. They sponsor their 2 business partners. There's no limitations on what you can do in the 5links compensation plan. So you can sponsor as many new representatives as you'd like. So there's no minimums, there's no maximums. So I would always say don't let the minimums be the maximum. So you can continue to build your business, continue to enroll new business partners, and as this happens, you're helping your new business partners hit their bonus, and now you're going to be promoted to the executive director position. Now to be executive director, you simply have 15 customer points, and you have 2 lines with an executive trainer, and it can be anywhere in the line. It doesn't have to be the first 2 individuals you'd sponsor, and you need 1 new qualified IMR, so you need 3 total lines with a qualified IMR. Now once you do this, 5 links for hitting executive director in your first 60 days, 5 links is actually going to pay you an additional $1,000 earned position bonus for hitting executive director. So that's executive director in 60 days. This is executive trainer in 30 days. In addition, once you're when you're executive trainer, you actually receive $25 cab bonuses for each one of these individuals. So 5 times 25 would equal $125. So now your total in your first 30 days, because let's say you did this in your first 30 days, is $1,625. So that's your first 30 days in the business. So what changes in the next 30 days? Nothing. You're doing the same thing. You're helping executive trainers develop in your organization. As those executive trainers, those baby steps, those small wins are happening. Your business is growing. You're having new business partners, and you're attracting more customers, so you're starting to build a bigger customer base for your company. So now let's take you into your 60th day. So your second month and 5 links. What happens here is, let's say that your team is growing, you're creating executive trainers, they're having success, so you're creating the success stories, there's a lot of momentum happening, and your team here, let's say they produce a total of 30 new IMRs in your second month in the business. Those 30 new IMRs all get qualified. So as those 30 IMRs qualify, you're going to receive on those IMRs a $60 customer acquisition bonus when they qualify. So 30 times 60 is going to equal $1,800. Now, in addition to that $1,800, what's going to take place is we have what we call an executive director open line bonus, which is for the calendar month. So for 30 qualified IMRs, you'll receive an executive director open line bonus of $4,000. So total, if your team does 30 new IMRs all in here, in your organization, you have ETs hitting their bonuses, you're going to earn in your second month in the business, in this example, a total of $5,800 for your second month. Now as we continue to do the same thing, nothing changes. We're doing quick starts. We're helping people get qualified, wondering why they're in the business so we can help them build their business, and then we're doing grand openings. We're creating ETs. As we're creating ETs, we're creating more executive directors. Everything is based off helping new representatives hit that executive trainer position. So now your third month in the business, what's going to take place is your ETs now are becoming EDs. You got EDs developing in your organization, and you're going to do more volume because what's going to naturally happen is everybody's doing grand openings. So let's say that this organization here has produced 60 business partners because we're building momentum. The 60 new IMRs. And what does that mean for you in income? So 60 at the national director level, because you'll be an ND now, you'll promote your position to national director. You're going to receive a $70 override on each one that's going underneath your executive directors. So that is $4,200 in this example, and I'll slide to this side. So that's an additional $4,200 in what we call customer acquisition bonus money. In addition, let's say that you sponsor another business partner out here, you help them go executive trainer, and they put a couple new business partners in. And let's say over here, you and your open line, we'll call this, did a total of 15 new IMRs. Because there's no minimums. So those 15 new IMRs that you would do in what we call your open line, you're going to earn $140 when they qualify on each one of them. So 140 at 15 IMRs is going to be $2,100. So in customer acquisition bonus money, as a national director in your third month, you're looking at $6,300 just in customer acquisition bonus money. We call that CAB money. But in addition to that, there's a national director open line bonus. So you have an ND open line bonus, and that bonus is going to pay $9,000 for 75 qualified IMRs for the calendar month. So that's going to total that month at $15,300 in this example. So month number 3, you're at $15,300. In addition to that, you're still on this line of business over here are going to get the executive director open line bonus as well. So the executive director open line bonus of 15 IMRs. So the executive director open line bonus is going to pay $1,500. So now with that $1,500 and the $15,300, you're at $16,800. So $16,800 in month number 3. You add up month number 1 at $1,625, month number 2 at $5,800. So we got $5,800 plus the $1,675. Your total income in your first 90 days is going to be $24,275. That's in bonus money and customer acquisition money. And that's as your customer base is growing, because now you're well in position to take your business to senior vice president. When you hit senior vice president, now your residual income starts at 30% of the commission value, and it's all coded to you. So when you look at this compensation plan, and you can start to duplicate your success, create executive trainers, and all you're doing is helping people save money, helping people make money. But when you can start duplicating your success, start to create some volume in this plan, to me, I got to tell you, this compensation plan rewards so much on the front end, but as you get to senior vice president, the rewards on residually are even greater. And that's ultimately what we're building for, is for the financial freedom to do what we want when we want by building a successful business and having that residual income that we can count on come in each and every month. So I hope this was helpful in helping you understand how to get your business launched, what the expectation is of you getting to executive trainer, enrolling your services right away, scheduling your grand opening, and then just duplicating your success. The whole business is on the premise of creating executive trainers, but it starts with you. So good luck on your journey, and I look forward to seeing you at the next 5 Links National event.